In Anderson v. Zamir, we explore the circumstances under which an appellate court will reverse a jury's damages award. Saadia Zamir rear-ended Tiffany Anderson's car. That evening, Anderson sought treatment at a hospital for a headache and a sore neck. The medical staff prescribed pain medication and a neck brace. Anderson later went to a health clinic complaining of pain running from her lower back to her neck on the left side of her body. She was prescribed more pain medication and underwent physical therapy. About 10 months after the accident, Anderson returned to the clinic due to left shoulder pain. An MRI revealed that Anderson had a torn labrum or cartilage in her left shoulder. Anderson underwent surgery to repair the tear. Anderson sued Zamir. Dr. Rollin Perkins, one of Anderson's treating physicians, testified at trial. Based on his treatment of Anderson and his review of records created by other clinic providers, Perkins testified to a reasonable degree of medical certainty that the car accident caused Anderson's shoulder injury. Perkins explained that torn labrums don't typically occur absent trauma. He further clarified that it's common for a person injured in a car accident to experience late-onset shoulder pain. Patients often don't notice the symptoms of a shoulder injury until their neck pain resolves. Dr. Treg Brown, the orthopedic surgeon who repaired Anderson's torn labrum, also testified. In his review of Anderson's medical records, he saw no evidence of trauma that could have caused the torn labrum other than the car accident. Like Perkins, Brown testified to a reasonable degree of medical certainty that the accident caused Anderson's torn labrum. Zamir's lawyer cross-examined both doctors. The attorney attempted to get them to agree that Anderson's shoulder injury was not caused by the accident. However, both doctors reaffirmed their original opinions. Zamir didn't present any independent evidence to contradict the doctors' testimonies. Anderson introduced bills showing that she'd incurred about $28,000 in medical expenses. Anderson also presented unrefuted evidence establishing that the bills were reasonable and that the underlying treatment was medically necessary. Zamir admitted liability but argued that she wasn't responsible for Anderson's shoulder injury. The jury awarded Anderson $5,000 for medical expenses and $7,500 for pain and suffering. Dissatisfied with the award, Anderson appealed to the Illinois Appellate Court.